Today, we're venturing into the realm of protection spells, a simple yet powerful tool for beginners in witchcraft. Our journey begins with gathering our ingredients: 2 white chime candles, symbolizing purity and protection, and the herbs angelica and mugwort, revered for their protective qualities and psychic shielding abilities. Now that we've gathered our ingredients, let's move to the next step. In creating a protective spell, setting up the right space is crucial. Let's do that. Position 2 white chime candles a few feet apart on a safe, flat surface. White symbolizes purity and protection. Now, sprinkle a circle of the angelica and mugwort between them. Angelica is revered for its protective qualities, while mugwort is often used for psychic protection and purification. This circle is your sacred space, a sanctuary for your ritual. With our sacred space ready, we can now begin the actual ritual. Now comes the most important part, the incantation and the visualization. The words you speak hold power. By the light of these candles, I call upon the power of protection. This line invokes the energy of the divine, using the candles as a beacon. Angelica, guard me with your strength. Mugwort, shield me with your wisdom. Here you're calling upon the protective qualities of the angelica and the wisdom of mugwort. I stand within this circle, safe from harm and ill will. Let only positivity enter. Let negativity be still. With this, you're establishing your sacred space as a stronghold against negativity. As the incantation ends, may this spell be spun with harm to none, so mote it be. You seal your spell with a promise of harmlessness. Now, as the candles burn down within this circle of herbs, visualize their light creating a protective barrier around you. Feel the warmth, the safety, the protection. Bask in the knowledge that you are guarded and safe. May you be blessed with all the protection you need.